The common foot problems? Do you suffer from foot pains like ankle sprains, blisters, bunions, flat feet, hammer toe, heel pain, and warts? Now, I'm going to explain to you these common foot problems. Ankle sprain? Ankle sprains are common sports injuries treated by a foot doctor. Ankle injuries usually involve a sudden, unexpected loss of balance that results in a sharp twist of our ankle. A strain occurs when a muscle or tendon overstretches. A sprain, which is more serious, occurs when strong connective tissue which connects one bone to another ligaments becomes overstretched. If you suffer an ankle sprain, you can expect pain, soreness, and tenderness from not aching to intense pain, swelling of the ankle, usually occurring very quickly after an injury, producing ankle stiffness and inability to move the ankle or to stand and put pressure on it. Prevention is better than cure. If there is a tendency to roll over the ankle, wearing snugly laced high-top shoes may provide some protection. Wear supportive shoes. Avoid platform soles like high heels, open shoes, and sandals. Strengthen the calf muscles by doing heel raises and dips and calf stretches. Arthritis? Arthritis is a disabling disease characterized by inflammation of the cartilage and the lining of the body's joints. There are about 200 forms of arthritis. The symptoms can affect many parts of the body, especially our feet, because each foot contains 33 joints and bears a tremendous amount of weight and pressure. Feet may be more susceptible to arthritis than the other part of the body. When arthritis affects the feet, it makes standing and movement very uncomfortable. Now, I'm going to explain to you some care and management of arthritic feet. You must wear flat shoes that has a velcro or with buckles across the midfoot so that it will hold the shoe firmly without squashing the toes. And also you can use the orthotic insoles, which provide support and stability. Or you can use these adjustable shoes like this. It has a good arch support to make you walk easier. And you can use these gel insoles with toe separator, which provides good cushioning, or these heel cups. Oh, athlete's foot? Athlete's foot is a common persistent infection caused by a microscopic fungus that lives on dead tissue of the hair, toenails, and outer skin layers. Athlete's foot is a common and occurs more often in people who typically experience excessive sweating, and it is more common in warmer weather. It can be unusually persistent but should not be ignored and can easily be treated. Now, prevention is better than cure. One of the solutions I would recommend is the Comforter Functional Sock. It has the features of nanocarbon particle of the bamboo fibers, provide extreme air ventilation, antibacterial and antifungal. And also you can use some orthotic insoles which gives good support to your feet and stability. Gel insoles are very comfortable and has shock absorption. Blisters? Blisters are a small swelling or pocket of fluid in the upper skin layers. Blisters occurs when feet get hot, sweaty, and your sock sticks to them. The sock and foot rub against each other and the inside of the shoe, leading to increased friction which causes a blister. So, prevention is better than cure. If you become aware of a localized hot area on your foot, then stop your sport and use our gel toe separators, which can prevent pressures. And you will put it on your three toes like this. And also, a heel cups help a lot. It provides good cushioning and it supports to your heel as well. Also, you will put it onto your heel like this. And then try using orthotics and Comforter shoes. Bunions or hallux valgus, an enlargement at the base of the big toe caused by a misalignment of the joint. Bunions are really only a symptom of faulty foot mechanics and are usually caused by a foot. We inherit an inappropriate footwear use. As the big toe bends towards the others, this lump becomes larger and the bunion becomes painful. Stiffness can eventually develop. Now, here's the solution. I recommend you to use this comfortable shoes. It has an adjustable velcro and it has a unique foam sponge material which relieves painful to your bunion and it relieves pressure onto your feet. And also you can use these gel pads which is specifically designed for people with bunions. Applying these gel pads on the side of your big toe. It relieves pain and more comfortable when wearing these bunion gel pads. And also you can use these gel insoles which can help to reduce pressure and it has a shock absorbing feature which helps reduce the pressure of the bunion. Corns and calluses? A callus or corn is an area of thickened skin that forms at pressure points over bony prominences. They are one of the most common problems seen by foot doctors and can occur on any part of the foot and vary in symptoms. A corn or callus is caused by one thing, too much pressure. For example, when you're doing some too much of workout or some shoveling like this, which creates pressure. Now, I'm gonna show to you some solutions. I recommend you to use our gel insoles. On the top fabric, it is a non-antibacterial. And also, the gel part can also help you to relieve pain and it has a shock absorption that gives you more comfortable. Or you can use some gel pads for your corns and calluses. Now, I'm gonna use this med pad. This is inserted to your middle toes to reduce pressure like this. Diabetes. People with diabetes may suffer foot problems. Problems can include foot ulcers, infections, and nerve damage. If they are not caught at an early age, foot doctors have an important role to play in preventing and managing foot complications among people with diabetes. A person with diabetes should seek advice when they notice the following. The color changes in feet. When paleness or bluishness of the toes occurs that indicates and decrease the circulation. Okay, let me suggest some solutions for diabetic problems. First, I recommend you to use the diabetic footwear. It is developed with a comforter biomechanical footbed and our diabetic insoles. It is designed with dual density material, good for sensitive diabetic feet. And last is our comforter functional sock. It is designed with air ventilation, extra padding in the bottom, and moisture absorption. And also you can use other orthotics, gel pads, and other gel supports. Flat feet is a structural deformity resulting in the lowering arch of the foot. This is sometimes referred to as fallen arches or pronotion of the feet. A person with a flat foot needs assessment to determine whether they are at risk for long-term complications. People with flat feet may have ankle, knee, or lower back pain. Flat feet due to injury, disease, or normal aging are not preventable. In some cases, flat feet are caused by a physical abnormality, such as tarsal collision, two or more bones in the foot that have grown together, or accessory navicular, an extra bone along the side of the foot. The effects of disease such as diabetes and rheumatoid arthritis can lead to flat feet. The solution that I will recommend is the biomechanical shoes. This biomechanical footbed, which has a medium density, not too soft and not too hard, just perfect. And also we have the comforter footwear, which designed with arch support. And also we have a comforter sandals for kids, which is built with adjustable velcro and good comfort while walking. And we have also the comforter sandals for adults. It is attached with a rubber outsole to provide anti-slip features. Or you can use this arch support orthotics. It is designed in a full size to fit sport shoes and wide shape footwear to provide a comfortable and supportive walking experience. And last is the arch support orthotics in half, which is designed to fit narrow shaped footwear to provide a comfortable movement on the toe areas. Hammer toe. It is a painful deformity wherein a toe bends unnaturally. Hammer toe can develop on any of the toes, but generally affects the middle three and most often the second toe. When unusually stress is applied over a period of years, the joints and tendons of your foot can cease to function in a balanced manner and toes, in an effort to compensate, can begin to bend into a hammer toe shape. And hammer toe is caused when muscles fail to work in a balanced manner and the toe joints bend to form the hammer toe shape. Here's the solution. I recommend you to use the Comforter Triple Toe Separator. This ergonomically designed with triple toe separators. It can be inserted into either one of the three toes on our feet at one time. It is developed with a silicone material which provides good cushioning and comfort while walking. It acts well as a toe separator and helps relieve pressure for conditions like hammer toe. Neuroma. A neuroma or Morton's neuroma is a painful condition, often referred to as a pinched nerve, swollen nerve, or nerve tumors. People with certain foot deformities, like bunions, hammer toes, flat feet, or more flexible feet, are at higher risk for developing a neuroma. An injury or other type of trauma to the area may also lead to a neuroma. A person with neuroma problems can use some shoe inserts or orthotics, but I will recommend to you to use the single toe separator and the toe protector. Now, this toe protector can be inserted into any of our toes in our feet. It helps relieve pressure conditions like neuroma. And the toe separator which provides good cushioning and comfort while walking. Or you can wear the comforter footwear. It is designed with various upper, from soft padding material to genuine leather, to provide maximum comfort. Orthotics are custom-made shoe inserts, developed from an electronic scanning or a plaster cast of the foot. An orthotic is designed to guide the mechanics of the foot to a precise degree which help the muscles and tendons to perform more efficiently. People wearing orthotics may experience relief from previous pain and symptoms and prevent recurrence of foot, leg, and other skeletal pains and conditions. Now, I'm gonna show to you our Comforter Foot Care products. This is our arch support shoes and our diabetic insoles, good for sensitive diabetic feet. And we have the gel supports and sandals for kids and adults. And also our Comforter functional socks. And here's the biomechanical footbed. It is designed with high arch support and provides shock absorption. And the hap orthotics are designed with a 4 to 5 degree built-in arch support to fit narrow-shaped footwear. And gel insoles is designed with triple layer beneficial features to provide a great comfort while walking. And the last is the orthotic full length. It has 10 mm deep heel up and it is designed in a full size to provide a comfortable and supportive walking experience. Plantar fasciitis and heel pain is an inflammation of the long band connective tissue running from the heel to the ball of the foot. The heel pain acts like a bowstring and supports the arch and several muscles inside the foot. Where there is increased stress on the arch, microscopic tears can occur within the plantar fascia. Usually, at its attachment on the heel, this results in inflammation and pain with standing and walking and sometimes at the rest. What are the symptoms of heel pain? The first step pain after getting out of the bed or sitting for a period time. Pain after driving, pain on the bottom of your heel, and pain can be worse when barefoot. If you suffer a heel pain, make sure you wear appropriate supportive shoes, or you can use the heel pads. This pad helps about four problems like arthritis, heel pain, and corns. Or you can use the gel insoles, which is designed to provide maximum shock absorption while doing high impact sports. Or wear our Comforter Arch Support shoes for great walking experience. Pregnancy and feet. Pregnancy triggers many different changes in a woman's body. Many pregnant women complain of swollen feet and foot pain due to the natural weight gain during pregnancy. A woman's center of gravity is completely altered. This causes a new weight-bearing stance from the lower back to the front of the body added pressure to the knees and feet. Now, for some foot care solutions, I recommend you to use our Comforter insoles, gel insoles, sandals, and our socks. Or wear our Comforter supportive shoes with unique biomechanical footbed for the key to longer life and better health. Stress fracture? It is a complete crack in the bone caused by overuse. Stress fractures are caused by excessive stress on the bones of the foot and can often be caused by a biomechanical imbalance or by a medical condition such as osteoporosis or medications such as steroids. Now, the solutions that I will recommend to you is our gel insoles. It has the third layer designed to act as an arch support with an Poron anti-shock dot or the arch support orthotics. It has the angle lifter for high arch to provide a supportive corrective alignment and relief from pressure points. Or wear shoes that has a biomechanical footbed. It has the supportive bridge or also known as the arch support that helps to prevent arch collapses and stress fractures. Warts. The exact cause of warts is not clearly understood. They are caused by a viral infection and over time develop into hard rough growth on the surface of the skin. A wart is most commonly seen on the bottom of the foot, but can also appear on the top. Most warts are harmless, but can be often painful. Now, here's the solution for the warts. I recommend you to use our Comforter Gel Insoles. It has a heel shock pad that provides excellent shock absorption and makes you comfortable when you use it. Or you can use the Comforter Insoles. It has a dual density material which provides a minimal arch support and also can prevent warts. A severe disease is an overuse syndrome. In children, the heel bone is made up of two bones, with a growth plate of cartilage in between the sections, holding these two bones together. As the cartilage expands, the edges of it eventually turn to bone, and finally the gap closes. This usually occurs within the first 13 to 15 years of life. However, because these bones are connected by cartilage, they are weaker than normal bones. This is why they are very vulnerable to injury. Now, here's the solution for the people that has a severe disease. I recommend you to use our Comforter foot care products. These are our Comforter shoes. It has a foam padded collar and with a removable orthotic features to replace with any custom orthotics and provides a maximum cushioning and shock absorption to make you feel comfortable. And it has adjustable Velcro straps to make you feel better when you use.